Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to disable Snap Assist on your Windows 10 computer. Now, just so everybody knows exactly what we are disabling, I'm just going to do an example here of what Snap Assist does. I'm going to open up a window, and let's say we want to drag it full screen or half screen. We just drag it to the side and it'll blow it up to half the screen size. If we go up to the corner, it'll do a corner size, and if you push it all the way up to the top, it'll do full screen. So very simple to disable this. We're just going to head over to our start button and left click on it. Left click on settings. Left click on system. On the options displayed on the left click on multitasking. And then directly underneath Snap, where it says arrange windows automatically by dragging them to the sides or corners of the screen, left click on this blue bar here. This will disable the snap feature, and the other options underneath should be grayed out. And at this point, you can close out of your window, and if we want to do another example, making sure our snap feature has been disabled, we can see dragging it to the side of the screen or the top does not snap the window to any one area. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.